Previously on DIY Fashion TV. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for clicking this video. In this episode of DIY, I am showing you all how I made a dress which I copied from SHEIN. If you're new to my channel and DIY is one of your interests, then please subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon if you want to be notified whenever I come up with a new tutorial video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, first we're going to make the skirt. For the easiest way you can measure your skirt is by using this circle skirt calculator. It makes my work lot simple. Please check the description box below for the link. It is really easy and simple to use. All you have to do is keep on selecting the type of skirt you want to achieve. Then it will do the maths for you. Now let's cut out the skirt according to its measurement. Now let us trace the outline of one of your best fitted shirt or tops for the bodice of the dress. I am taking two folded fabric for the back and the front bodice and keeping it on top of each other. Bottom fabric is for the back side and it is 1 inch longer than the front bodice. I marked a line on the center back of shirt and keeping in mind of that line, trace the outline of the shirt. Now using a fabric scissor, cut out the pieces and there you have your front and back piece. Also then trace out the sleeve and then cut out the piece. For the neckband, I took about 1 inch width for the band and its length will be equal to the total length of the front and back bodice neckline. To give a little dimension to the bodice, we are going to add darts. In the center front of the bodice, I am adding these mock buttons. Please watch my previous video to know how I have made it. For the lower portion of the sleeve, we will need a rectangular shape of fabric. Also, it should be double in size compared to the upper portion of the sleeve which we have already prepared earlier. Neck gathering on the bottom part and then attach it to the top part of the sleeve. Also hem the raw end, leaving little space so the elastic can go through it. So it should look something like this. Now attach the sleeves to the bodice and close stitch these sides. Then take elastic band according to the size of your wrist and put it all the way through the end of the sleeve. Instead of the embroidery, I used iron-on rose patch. I got it from the craft store. You may also order it online. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIY videos. See you next time. Bye!